Curtin University students have the opportunity to spend time on country at the Now and Up Bush campus. One of the elders who leads the students' cultural program is Uncle Eugene Eades. Now and Up has developed out of his vision and passion, and this story celebrates his hard work and dedication.
I still think of that message that the Budjar is saying to us as Noongar people, heal that land, and through healing the land will heal us. My name is Eugene Eades. I'm a Noongar man from Gorang country. It's known as Now and Up, a place of the Malifaux.
What I know of Eugene today, I think Eugene epitomises Martin Luther King's statement of, "I have a dream." And he's never let that dream go.
In particular Eugene and Now and Up is about healing the land and healing the people. If you heal the land, you'll heal the people, and that's exactly what's happening. He's using this healing land sort of concept at Now and Up and bringing people up to be there and get an understanding on country, what it's about, our ways of thinking, being, doing and knowing, and makes Aboriginal people stronger. Yeah.
Once Greening Australia had taken ownership, they felt they needed to put the First Peoples back on country, so they needed to employ a cultural advisor. So the elders got together and they said that bloke who was a cultural advisor we need is Eugene. Put him out there. So that's basically how I got my role on the Gondwana Link, now on a property.
I would describe Eugene's care for country, thinking about my own connection. It's an obligation that you have to get out there, and we understand that the realms, the spiritual realms that connect us to the country is in everything. It's in the trees, it's in the birds, it's in the clouds, it's in the winds. You know, we can read those languages.
For too long we've been trying to tame the land as people. It's going on all across the world. Instead of listening and waiting for the land to show us what needs to be done, it tells you. We had our system, a cultural system. We need to go back to that. We need to go back there and put them practices back into place. You know, like a rites of passage, teaching our young people about the rights and the wrongs about their first speaking language and their culture, to ground them.
Eugene is a kind, caring and gentle soul. I think in many ways is unrecognised in all the work that he's been doing, and he's done it by himself with assistance from others, but you know, basically has done it by himself in terms of the development of Now and Up.
So there's been times I've been on bread and water. So there's times you've been running out of tucker, running out of fuel, and you just keep your fingers crossed that something's going to happen around the corner. We need to get a lot of money. You can't do things you need to do that will make a difference without the money. And that's the $1 million question with us at the moment.
I want people to know that this man is a man of extraordinary vision, a man with the enormous commitment to bring people together. He wants to bring people together as a Noongar nation. He also wants to bring in non-Aboriginal people together, and he doesn't want it to be seen as a separate nation of people. He wants to see us as one people.
I mean, like I've said in the first place there, I'm doing something that nobody else is doing out there in Noongar country that is making differences to people's lives. So get behind it, whether you're with government or whether you're wherever you are. If you hear the message, step up to it. Make a contribution in some kind of way.